Okay guys, I am a Firebirds wood fired grill. This evening I'll be grabbing some appetizers. Hi. I'm just dining in one. I was just dining in one.
This one?
Yeah. Oh yeah, thanks. Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. People are eating, dining in. So many bottles on the wall. Okay guys, today I'll be eating some appetizers. Okay guys, first I'll start off with like extra pepper. Okay guys, look at the size of the pretzel. It's literally the size of my hand. The pretzel is cooked good. The outside of the pretzel is hard, and the inside is soft. The texture of the outside of the pretzel is has this smooth, finish to it. There's a very smooth, finish. I'm dipping this one in cheese sauce. The atmosphere is nice. The pretzel does taste delicious. My pretzel costs about $9.25. When you have, once you bite into it, you get like this a perfect bite of the pizza. Like, perfect piece of in your mouth. My Philly cheesesteak rolls. Inside does have meat. I think it has some vegetables. Okay, let's try it out this thing. interesting flavor. We have the egg roll, you know, egg roll taste, and the Philly cheese, you know, inside. It kind of tastes like, you know, a little bit of ginger taste in there. You have the crunchy on the outside, and you know, the meat inside, you know, it is soft. It's good. Let's try it with the Thai chili sauce. Not bad. I'm not a fan of the egg rolls with the chili. It does taste interesting, but you know, I don't know. It just tastes different. I mean, it does taste good, but it just tastes different. Okay, let's try it with the hot mustard. Let's see how the mustard is. The hot mustard does have a little bit of a, you know, wasabi taste to it. Good. The appetizers does have like a lot of flavors in there. They did a good job with the service. I like the bar area. I like the vase on there too. Okay guys, this place is located in Columbus, Ohio. Okay guys, thank you for having appetizers with me. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you for watching this video. This is Trader's Quest. See ya.